an peko akora Jeko kumio yat ma en ubil ke barakat woto yang yeo babal ko
Well, for those who don't know, at the burial of the late Oulanyah, who was the Speaker of Uganda, Eclipse,
with the mysterious disappearance of our people with these funny sicknesses. 40 years of suffering in Egypt is no different with 40 years of suffering of the Luo people in East Africa. About Smith Original talking about the killing of every male child of the Israelites.
Abruptly, and also strong wind blew of
the Luo family. It's so sad that history is repeating itself. And because we do not have enough oil and minerals, NATO, UN, and OU cannot come to our rescue. I repeat, NATO, UN.
Now, in Acholi, Ulu culture, if such a thing happens, it is an indication that that person was killed. And also, as the father said, that he was killed. That is an indicator. And secondly, it indicates that the person, or the dead person, is not happy. And the third meaning is that the person was very important and highly loved by his tribe. So Oulanyah was deeply loved by Acholi and Lao. He was trying to mediate the Upper Land conflict and a lot of other things that he did. That is all for today. That is all for this video. Thank you.
Born to suffer, the more one dog to suffer, the more one born to suffer, the more one here to suffer, the more one born to suffer. Luo blood is born to suffer. Ile tika bino ya, karakelu la tenwa malie.